Good morning, my friends. Today I'm at Gravity at NEC in Birmingham. I'm going to see awesome cars. The only downside is it's going to be very loud here because they do have loud music, guys. So I will have just to record it, but I will show you as much as possible. I'm going to see awesome cars here at Gravity. So if you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe. I will be so grateful, guys, so you can support my channel and help me. And I will be always grateful. So let's see these awesome cars. Yeah, this is the BMW 850. It's got air suspension, as you can see, and BBS wheels. There's a company here called Airlift Performance. Must be really cool, as we got here a Porsche with several carbon parts. Look how wide is this body kit actually. Can you see the details here? This is stunning. Is this the GT4? How you doing?
Good, yeah.
Nice to see you again.
Mr.
What are you doing? Are you tired? You look tired, brother.
I'm feeling great. No, check it out.
Do you?
No, I'm tired. I'm tired.
Now tell me, you drive this car, isn't now? Is 1,700 or I'm wrong?
No, it's not this one. It's
Not this one.
That
It was the
mine.
other one.
No, that was someone else's from ES Motor. They gave
Okay.
me, so yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
very good.
I was at it. But no, mine's like nearly 900.
Wow.
So,
Not bad.
So-
Well, even standard is still a fast car.
Exactly. I don't know. It's just something I use all the time.
If that is the case, for example, if I would do... No, I do appreciate it. And I do learn here little things here and there.
Over there, literally now.
Don't worry.
And I'm going to do the awards. But
Yeah, brother. Nice to see you
Yeah,
sometime.
likewise,
Take care, bro.
Yeah, no worries.
I'm going to end my video here at Gravity. I had so much fun. I saw thousands of cars. What a better way actually to end here by the Ford Mustang. If I'm right, I think this is the Mustang, a Ford Mustang from 1967, but actually maybe it's 1966. This is a left-hand drive. And that is even better. There's thousands of people here. I did saw a lot of modified cars here, and I had so much fun. I saw my favorite car actually, the Jaguar XJ220. I didn't saw one car, but actually I saw two cars, and that for me was a big treat. Perhaps I have seen one of the most beautiful cars here in United Kingdom and perhaps in the world. Not only I saw one of my favorite cars, I saw the best modified cars. I met lots of people, famous YouTubers, you name it, guys. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.